Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Minute Math channel, where we go over solutions to contest math problems in under 3 minutes to help aspiring mathematicians achieve their competition math ambitions. Our problem today is from the 2000 AMC 8 question 1, and it's Aunt Anna is 42 years old, Caitlin is 5 years younger than Brianna, and Brianna is half as old as Aunt Anna. How old is Caitlin? So to solve this, we have to look at how does Caitlin connect to this problem. Caitlin is 5 years younger than Brianna. So if we find Brianna's age, we can find Caitlin's age by working backwards. So Brianna's age is half as old as Aunt Anna. So Aunt Anna is 42 years old, which means that Brianna is going to be 1/2 of 42. It's 21 years old for Brianna. And Caitlin is 5 years younger than this, which means you subtract 5 and get 16 as our final answer.